Ladies and gentlemen, we are back. Shiba Inu is once again ripping towards the upside. We're up about 7.69% here just over the last 24 hours, as you can see here, guys. And I know this video is going to start off a little differently. The studio might look a little different. Again, we're doing some renovations, doing some changes, just some minor changes, seeing what things work, what doesn't, and let us know in the comments below what you guys think either way. Also, let us know in the comments below if you held through the bloodbath that we saw yesterday. But again, bloodbath is a very strong term. Austin Hilton pointed this out in his video. Cool guy, great guy, part of the Shiba Inu community as well, doing awesome stuff on his channel as well. But he talked a lot about how a lot of these news organizations and content creation sites were basically pointing out that, hey, Shiba Inu is down 18%. It's a bloodbath. It's a crash. We're done. Shiba Inu's over. But guys, yesterday's video, if you subscribed, which you definitely should if you aren't already, you guys would have seen that video and you guys would have saw my take on it, and you would have seen that I would have said, guys, this is paper hands, right? This is paper hand activity. There's FUD in the market right now. None of this is, in my opinion, real. The fundamentals of this coin haven't changed. The actual, reasoning behind why people are investing in this coin hasn't changed. Again, this coin is still very strong as far as a fundamental bullish case goes for it. And I'm still a believer in it, long term. And either way, we can check, coin market cap here. Again, we're still holding strong. We dropped a few ranks here. As far as the ranking goes here, we can even go to the ranking tab here just so we can see it a little bit more clearly. As you can see here, we dropped a little bit below Dogecoin, but again, still very nicely. And what's really cool about all this, guys, and what really excites me is the fact that now we are showing that there is significant potential to go towards an upside and to start consolidating around the 5.6 to 5.7 level as new support. Guys, if this does continue, right? If this trend overall continues to show itself in the charts and just the overall price action, again, very bullish indicator, right? Because not only are we also, one, basically providing a higher support level than we were before, right? Around here, which I believe support before was again around the 2.8 to almost 3 level here, which is obviously considerably lower compared to the recent rally that we had. And even though we have pulled back a little bit here, guys, again, I think we still have the potential to go much higher and start consolidating at higher levels. And if we do that and continue to do that with, nice sets of volume, nice sets of overall just holding, right? People are gonna hold and not sell. If that continues, again, the bullish case for Shiba Inu still survives. Now, real quick, guys, since we're kind of doing this a little differently here, if you guys want to start trading Shiba Inu, and might I add to get a free stock while you're at it, hit the link down in the description below for Public, guys. Public is a great social investing network app that allows you to sign up and see what other people are buying, selling, and talking about in both the stock and crypto markets. We are on Public, guys. If you guys want to follow us on there, you guys can follow us at It's Finance Bro. Again, we are on there and we have our public portfolios listed where you can see what we're buying and what we're selling. And guys, when you use our link, you guys will get a free stock worth up to, not always, but up to $70. And guys, what we did to get some free Shiba Inu out of this deal is what we did is we went into that link, or basically used that link basically, and we bought some, or we got that free stock, we sold the free stock, and then used that money to just basically buy some free Shiba Inu coin, right? It was a win-win for everybody involved and it worked out great. So if you guys want to do that, again, it's up to you, whatever you guys want to do as far as when you get that stock, obviously from the free link that we have down in the description below. You guys can do whatever you like with it, but either way, that's just kind of what we tend to do with it either way. But guys, follow us on there. You guys know the deal. Again, we kind of say this in every video, but I just wanted to highlight that a little bit here too. And now you might be wondering, well, why is this pumping? Now, yesterday's video, like I said in the beginning of this video, a lot of paper-handed people sold out, right? A lot of people got kind of scared. They got kind of shooken up. And a lot of people, basically backed out of this coin. They thought it was over. And again, I kept saying in the video, guys, all that's happening right now is a whale is moving a large portion of Shiba Inu from wallet to wallet, trillions of coins, as a matter of fact. And from all sources and from everything that I've read, and correct me down in the comments below if I'm wrong, he has not sold, or he or she, again, we don't know who this is, obviously. They have not sold their Shiba Inu yet, which is obviously a good sign. It's the fact that obviously the price is still going to kind of remain pretty well, right? It's going to do very well. We also had another kind of catalyst that kind of plays into this today. If we go on the Shiba Inu News Twitter account, which by the way, guys, if you aren't already, follow us on Twitter at FinanceBro. As you can see here down here on the left, here I'll even pull it up in the big screen. Wow, it's been a minute since I used. Yeah, as you can see here, follow us on FinanceBro, guys. As you can see here, we talk about stocks, crypto, and business, of course. We're going to try to be more active here on this as well, just so that way you guys can get more content there. But either way, follow us on Twitter. Again, it might be linked in the description below. If not, you guys have the Twitter handle either way. But as you can see here, so Sheeb Twitter account officially tweeted, "Congratulations to KTEX official for listing all of our ecosystem tokens." That's Sheeb, Leash, and Bone. The Sheeb army appreciates the support. So guys, as you can see here, KTEX, which is a pretty big exchange that's starting to kind of get its foot in the door as far as the cryptocurrency industry is concerned, has now listed 3 ERC20 based tokens, all of course SHIB related to Shiba Inu, the Shiba Inu ecosystem, right? Bone, Leash, and of course Shiba Inu themselves, which is obviously, it's a listing, guys. Either way, any kind of listing that we can get in today's day and age is awesome and great to see. Let's go back to the technical case here though, because that was a small catalyst that played into this. But again, guys, I knew that we were going to bottom out. Again, if we look at the RSI, we're going to pull that up right now here live on this video. Let's pull up the RSI, the Relative Strength Index, right? Which shows us, of course, if you're not familiar with this, whether a stock, crypto, or whatever asset that you can chart based on a series of price action, whether or not it is overbought or oversold. Oversold meaning that more people are selling than they are buying. Overbought meaning more people that are buying than they are selling. Now, if you looked when this dip was happening, right, when this pullback correction, whatever you want to call it, was happening, we significantly dipped below what I call the 30 level on the RSI. Again, a lot of people have different kind of metrics for measuring RSI, but as you can see here, it significantly dipped below that level, which signifies that this coin was oversold, way more sellers than buyers, which is not always a bad thing, because a lot of investors who either want to start a position in Shiba Inu or were looking for a good place to buy in or buy the dip, right, would use this indicator, use this tool to find exactly when this coin was oversold. Because typically when a coin, a stock, or whatever you're looking at is super oversold on the RSI, right, when it's anywhere below this 30, and as you can see here, it went all the way to one point to the 20 RSI. All factors obviously kind of taken into consideration, because the RSI is not the only tool you can use. You can use a lot of other tools as well, but the RSI is a big one. But using the RSI, an investor could look at that and say, oh wow, this is oversold. There's way too many sellers in the market right now. I believe in this coin long term. I believe in the fundamentals. I believe in the ecosystem, right? Maybe this is a decent buy at these levels. Maybe I can pick up some cheap Shiba Inu right now before it starts to go up further. And what happened, guys? Well, exactly that, right? Dipped way below the 30 level in the RSI. And of course, beautifully, pushed back up or rallied back up now to highs around the 5.5 to 5.7 level. And again, we're kind of hopefully going to basically start consolidating at that level as long as this momentum stays, and as long as we continue to make higher highs and higher lows, which is obviously kind of a key component to this coin's success. Now, keeping all of this in mind, guys, I did buy the dip, and Zach as well, our other, basically our partner, right? We are business partners on this channel. If you guys are wondering, you might be new to this video. Again, I'm trying to explain everything in like one video, guys, and try to get more one-on-one with you guys, so that way we have a better connection, and just overall it's better for each of us. Again, there are 2 people on this channel that make videos, guys, myself, Kyle, and of course Zach, my business partner, and we both make videos on this channel. We do about 1 to 2 videos every single day, each of us, so about 4 videos in total. Usually these days we've been doing about 2 videos. And again, guys, it's awesome when you guys just log in, you like the video, you subscribe, you comment down below, and you watch our videos, guys, and you get educated not only on the latest information with Shiba Inu, but of course just anything going on with this coin in general, guys. It is awesome to see, and I'm eternally grateful for everything that you guys do for us. But other than that, guys, that is pretty much it for this coin.